Hey everybody, it's Zachary with BrandsMart USA, and today I'm here to talk with you about the new Bose TV speaker. It is a one-step, simple solution soundbar for all of your clarity needs. It is a small but powerful soundbar to enhance the quality of your home entertainment system. So let's hop into it. The Bose TV speaker was designed for simplicity. This small soundbar stands at just 2 inches tall and can fit just about anywhere. And small LED lights on the front indicate when certain features are enabled. Get more out of your movies with dialogue mode. With this feature, you will be able to enhance the quality of the vocals so that you can hear every word more clearly. The Bose TV speaker also has Bluetooth compatibility, so you can listen to what you want, when you want. Press the Bluetooth button on the included remote to pair a device and wirelessly play music, podcasts, and more through your soundbar. The Bose TV speaker delivers surprisingly rich and deep sound for a soundbar of its size. You can press the bass button on the remote for some added depth. With the HDMI Arc technology, you have the convenience to control both of your devices with your current remote. If you're looking for more bass or want to expand your home entertainment, you can add a wired subwoofer for more theater quality home theater sound. Well, there you have it, guys, the Bose TV speaker here at BrandsMart USA.